Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk to you guys today. And I'm sure if you saw the title, you already know that we are gonna be talking about products that I have used up or are either like here, like very close to being used up, that I would 100% purchase again, that I am so obsessed with, that I need in my life, that I can't let myself run out of. So that is what today's video is going to be. I'm so excited. I love talking about the products that I've been loving and using like crazy. So yeah, before we get into the video, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love makeup, self-tanner, any of that, then definitely make sure that you're subscribed. I post 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss out. But stay tuned if you want to see me talk about all of my favorite products that I am out of and need to repurchase. All right, so I think I have like 12 products here that I want to mention to you guys. Some of them I have talked about before, some of them I haven't really talked about before, or maybe I have, I don't know. But they're all just products that I've been using non-stop, like as much as I possibly could, and they're like either completely empty or are very close to being completely empty in the very near future. And these are all products that I plan on repurchasing because I cannot let myself run out of, and I don't plan on it. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna grab whatever I see first, and we're just gonna talk about it. Why I love it so much, why I would repurchase, all that fun stuff. So the first product that I see on here is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. So this one, when I first got it, I really liked it, but I feel like I wasn't using it right. So like something about it would throw me off when I was using it. But the more I used it and the more I got the hang of using it, I fell in love. This stuff coats your lashes so nicely. It makes them so black and thick and beautiful. It's just so good. This was like my go-to special occasion mascara because I just know it's gonna make my lashes look boom out there. And this is like empty pretty much. There's like nothing left on it. It's like totally dried out, so I need to buy another one of these. I love this stuff. I want to continue using it as like my go-to special occasion makeup mascara. So yeah, love this stuff. Next up is from Pat McGrath. It is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I have this in the shade 14 Light Medium. Oh my god. My obsession for this stuff is insane. Like, this is completely empty. Don't let this fool you. Yeah. Oop. Okay, there's a little something in there, but it's like pretty much almost completely empty. I have been using this like crazy, and I have gotten like everybody I know hooked on this stuff too, because it's just wonderful. Literally every time I wear this, I have people coming up to me asking what foundation I'm wearing because my skin just looks so airbrushed. So I feel like this, if it hasn't already, slowly is making its way up to my #1 spot for a foundation, because I just like can't describe to you guys how I feel and how I look when I wear this. It's just so amazing, and I need to go buy another one ASAP. So yeah. Next up is another foundation, and this is an expensive one. It is from Tom Ford. It's the foundation stick, the TRACELESS foundation stick. As you can see, I'm very messy with it, and it's like at the bottom. This is all I have left of this stuff. Like, it doesn't go any higher than this, and I want to cry because this stuff is so good. A little bit goes such a long way with this. You do not need a lot at all, but this is such a perfect foundation year-round. Literally summer, fall, winter, spring, you name it, this is good for it. It's so good. I've worn this on vacation. I've worn this when my skin has been at its driest, when my skin has been at its like, it's not oily, but at its oiliest. Just like every condition that you could think of, I've worn this stuff in, and it has performed so perfectly. And again, just makes me look so airbrushed and just like I got my makeup professionally done. It's just so good. And I need to buy another one because I cannot run out of that stuff. Next up, this is a product that I have actually been talking about a lot in recent videos because it has made its way into my heart and it has a special place there, and I think it will forever. It is the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener Illuminator. I don't know. It's a concealer. But this stuff is so good. I'm wearing it right now. I wear it every single day. Literally, this is my go-to even for days when I'm not wearing foundation. If I just want to like brighten up certain areas of my face, I'll put this on and it literally just brings me to life. Like, I don't need to wear any other makeup. I just put a little bit of this on and I'm like instantly 5 years younger. Like, it looks so amazing every single time. I have this in the shade 7 Deep Butter. I need to buy another one of these because I'm like this close to running out of it. And I also want to get a lighter shade for when I'm a little bit paler. This does work for those days for me, but I still want something that's gonna like not exactly match my skin tone, but brighten it up a little bit when I'm pale too. So I'm gonna get this and a lighter shade, and I want the color correcting ones because this just impressed me so much that I literally want to get every single product of this. So amazing. You have to try this. The next product is from NARS. It is the Laguna Bronzer. This is the original, but I think this is like the limited edition packaging. So this, it's not fully empty, but I have definitely hit pan on it and I'm very, very, very close to running out. So I need to get another one of these. I actually have another one, but it's not this exact thing. It's like a limited edition and a little bit sparklier, but I need this like exact one. This is my favorite bronzer. It's so good, never lets me down. I've recommended this to literally everybody I know. It's just so good, and this packaging is so beautiful. Like, I literally always feel so luxe when I hold this in my hand. Like, look at this. So perfect. I love this so much. So good. Next up is, oh my god, I have so many Charlotte Tilbury products. Can you tell I'm obsessed? My next product you've also heard me talk about a lot. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is pretty much done for. I have like, I can scrape around the edges, but that's about it. If you want a product that's going to make your skin literally look like somebody airbrushed your skin on you, then this is the product that you need. Literally nothing makes me look like I have no pores like this does. Every time I put this on, I swear to God, it like erases my pores off my face. It never fails to amaze me. It's just such a good product. It looks so good every time. It never creases on me. It's just so like everything and more that you would want in a setting powder. So after that, we have a primer. It was hiding behind another product. I don't want to forget about it. It's the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I got this in like the smaller size, but this was still expensive. I think this was like 20 bucks for this tiny little thing, but I'm telling you, it is worth every penny. This literally makes my skin just like the perfect smooth canvas for the rest of my makeup to go on. Every time I wear this, the rest of my makeup looks extra good and extra perfect. It just does wonders for my skin, and I need to buy a new one because look how close I am to running out of that. It's literally like this much left. That's how close I am to losing my shit. But yeah, I love this. I need more in my life. You guys need this in your life. It's so good. Next product is something that I talk about like it's my job, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury Glogasm Beauty Light Wand in Peachgasm. Guys, I will talk about this product until my last day. Literally, if you have not tried this, you are missing out. I'm telling you, this is one of the best products that I've ever used in my entire life, period, point blank. Like, there's nothing that compares to this. It's just so amazing. I'm pretty sure I am like out of this. I think whatever is left of the product is like on this little brush. So I need to go order like 3 more of these from the website. But it makes my cheeks just look so perfectly rosy and glowy and just stunning. Every time I wear this, I get asked what is on my face, what blush that is, what highlighter it is, and it's always this. It's literally so amazing. Next up is, you guys already know I'm gonna mention this one because I can't not. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And look how close I am to running out. because I use this literally all the time. When I'm wearing makeup, when I'm not wearing makeup, just randomly throughout the day I'll put this on because it just feels good and it smells good. This stuff is like my best friend. It's so good. It makes my skin just feel so hydrated. It makes my skin look so glowy. It's just good for everything. Like, it works really well as a setting spray. It works really well as just like a refreshing mist. Just so, so great. All right, we have a few more products to talk about. So the next one is from Benefit. It's the Foolproof Brow Powder. Look at this. This is just like sad. I'm scared that if I knew that was gonna happen. No! I don't wanna like bend it too close to the camera because the product will fall out and then I'm gonna waste all of it. But yeah, this is like pretty much empty. It's sad for me to look at because I have literally used this down to the last little drop of powder pretty much. This is just like my favorite brow product ever. I don't know why I love brow powders so much, but I do. I feel like I have the easiest time applying my eyebrows when I use this product. It's just never failed me. I love the fact that it has two colors, like a lighter color in the front and then a darker color at the end, so that you can make your eyebrows look as natural as possible. Like, this really has helped me with that, and it's just such an easy product to use, especially if you're just starting out with your eyebrows. I feel like you can't fail with this stuff. It's just such a good product. And I saw that it's not on Ulta or Sephora anymore, and it was on sale on the Benefit website, and then it's like not available on the website anymore. It sold out. So I don't know if they discontinued this or what, but I literally could cry if that's true because I don't know what to do. If you guys have any brow powders that you're obsessed with and that you would recommend, please comment down below and let me know what those products are, because obviously now I need a new product. I'm completely pretty much out of this and I need something new. So let me know what your favorites are and I will try them out. Just give me something good, please. Anyways, down to the last 3 products. So next is another Charlotte Tilbury product, of course. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Oh, this is like completely empty. I love this stuff so much, you guys. I swear to God, this is like cement for your face, but in the best way possible. When I put this on, my makeup is not moving. It's literally staying in that exact place for the rest of the night. This is hands down the best like setting spray that I've ever tried. It's so freaking good. It doesn't feel like too much on your face. I don't know how to explain the feeling of it, but whenever I spray it on my face, I know my makeup isn't moving, and I don't say that in a bad way. It's not like it feels gross on my face. It actually feels pretty good, but every time I put it on, I'm like, yeah, my makeup's not moving. So this stuff is so amazing. If you want your makeup to last all night long, you gotta get this. I gotta get another one. I just love it so much. So I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. Look at this, like itty bitty baby. This is so close to running out. I still have to sharpen it, but this is my favorite lip liner on the planet. I'm wearing it right now with a gloss on top of it, but it just looks so good. I feel like this color, like for my skin tone and everything, just works perfectly. It's so smooth and creamy to put on. It lasts such a long time. This is either my second or third already that I've gone through in a short span of time because I just use it so much. Literally almost every single day I have this on my lips. And yeah, I obviously need another one already because I cannot run out of this. So that's that. And then my last product is a perfume, and it's actually a travel size. So this is one of 2 of my favorite perfumes. This is the YSL Mon Paris perfume. This is like my going out perfume. I have Black Opium as like what I wear every single day, and then this I'll wear like when I'm going out and I want to smell a little different. Those are the only 2 perfumes I use. But this one I love because it literally fits so perfectly in whatever bag you're taking with you. Like whenever I go out somewhere, I bring like the tiniest little like envelope bag, just like something that I can still dance around with and it won't be so big that it's in my way. So literally like a tiny, maybe like this big of a bag when I go out. So super small, it just fits my essentials. This always fits perfectly in whatever bag I'm carrying. The cap doesn't really come loose, so it's not like spraying itself in the bag. but it's the perfect size for you to bring somewhere with you without it being like this kind of a little travel size perfume where like you open it and it's just like this. I'm not a huge fan of like this kind of applicator, but I love this because it's still a spray. Obviously, I am like out of this, so I need to go buy a refill of it. It's just like my favorite thing on the planet. I love it so much, but that is all. Those are all of the empties, makeup empties that I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing. Clearly, I'm gonna be spending some money, but that's okay because these are products that I love and that I know I'm gonna use up, so I don't even feel bad about spending the money on it. They're just all such amazing products that I love, and I think you guys will too. So all of these are also like big recommendations for me if you're looking for new products to try. So yeah, that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to comment. Let me know what you guys thought about these choices. Please do not forget to comment and let me know what new brow product I could try because I am in desperate need of a new one that's good. So let me know, comment, say hello, because I love you guys and I love talking to you. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.